Hello and welcome back to Travis Time Vlog. I'm Matt Sinclair with Waiter Sending 2, ZFB71, off to VP, next up, next up, Domestic Airport, International Wallet Creek, all the way to VP service. It's good to have a Waiter Sending 1, ZA5, 22 City Circuit service. And also to have a handset coming into platform 2, Macarthur service. Steady M25. And we have it M15. And M25 and M15 now it's part Macarthur service. Next up Macarthur. Next up Domestic Airport, National Airport, I3. Holborn, Glenfield, Victoriafield, Ingleburn, Pinto, Lemira, Campbelltown, then all taken to Macarthur. We have Waiter Sending 2, Steady, B6, off to VP service. Anyway, I'm sending that train to Reward. Anyway, I will wrap up today's video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like today's video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye for me.